My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-up alerts that are associated with the website oknotification.com. It's a faulty message that you may suddenly see in your Windows computer screen, and the pop-up by oknotification.com may target Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. The website oknotification.com is dangerous because it is interconnected with certain malicious pages in the intranet. So it may first redirect you to some other questionable content after you click on the allow button. Plus, you'll start facing a lot of intrusive ads that will be popping up in the right bottom part of your Windows screen. This problem mainly happens with Windows computers, of course, even though something similar may also happen with Mac devices. If you have somehow noticed that oknotification.com has started to attack your screen, be sure not to click on that allow button. If you have done that, that's surely a mistake, but the good thing is that it can be easily fixed in the manual way. I'll show you how to fix your browser and to stop these pop-up ads from attacking your screen. So go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Now go to the Permissions area and choose Notifications. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and find this questionable site oknotification.com, click on this related button and remove this site from the list. After this has been successfully accomplished, the problem should be fixed, but be sure to remove all other sites that cause such problems. Finally, I would recommend you to examine your system with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and start researching your system to make sure that there are no any other concealed infections.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed the Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are three scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you will only be able to activate these two important features, these two important security mechanisms with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats, and you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.